After spending 6 weeks in Colorado, it was time to make our way to Utah. This is just a short video sharing our day of driving with you and 2 of our Colorado boondocking locations. Highway 24 was a beautiful surprise to us. We had no idea it was such an incredible scenic highway. We even caught a quick glimpse of a moose down in the valley. After a scenic drive, we arrived at our last Colorado boondocking area for this year. West of Meeker, Colorado, just off Highway 64, you will find Rio Blanco State Wildlife Area. Our last night in Colorado presented us with a gorgeous sunset and a quiet night's sleep. So far for 2018, our total camping fees are $48. If you want to see more videos featuring our epic boondocking locations, please subscribe to our channel. Please make sure you also tap that bell so you're notified when we put up a new video.